Hey everyone, Jacob from Dragon Tiny Homes here. Today we're going to introduce you to the second generation of the Avalon. Now the Avalon is a home that we have been building for a long time. It's actually the first model that we ever made, and now we've made some changes to it to make it a little bit easier to use. Now the Avalon is really popular because it's a 24-foot tiny home. So it's 24 by 8.5, 200 square feet on the first floor, but it has a bedroom on the first floor. So a place to actually sleep on the first floor. And with some of the changes we've made, you still have a good sized kitchen, living room, and bathroom. So let's go inside and take a look at all of the different things that we've added to this home. And you can see we've done a lot of upgrades in this house just to show off on this demo unit. We are starting construction on these homes now, and more base model units will be available soon. Right here's the kitchen, but we'll come back to that. Let's start in the bathroom first. And actually above the bathroom is a loft. So this could either be a storage loft, or you could put a full-size bed up in this loft as well in the above the bathroom over here. But inside the bathroom, you guys have all seen our bathrooms before. It's just like all the other ones where we have the standard flush toilet on one side that could be swapped to a compost toilet if you'd like. We have the 36-inch shower on the other side, and then we have the vanity here on the bump out. So nice compact bathroom, but you still have enough room to use it comfortably. And then we've put that behind the full closed door, which gives you a little bit more privacy when you have a lot of guests in the house. Over here's the kitchen. So we haven't changed a whole lot in the kitchen. We have the laundry space over here. We have the cabinetry with the built-in induction cooktop and the stainless steel sink. What we did do is move this window over just a little bit so that we have more room for upper cabinets over here. Now we put outlets in so that if we want to do a microwave with a vent hood in it, we could build that in. If we want cabinetry, we could do that. Or if we want to keep it simple with just some floating shelves like we have here, it's an easy addition. So it gives you a little bit more storage space in the kitchen without taking up more of the floor space. Opposite of the kitchen now is one of the bigger upgrades, which is a space for a large fridge. We've taken this directly from the Vista. This is a big popular option. And so this right here gives you a good sized fridge with a set of drawers in the kitchen space. And then with the quartz on top, you're able to put either a microwave or some other storage up on top over here. Now, of course, a house needs a living room, and the Avalon has that. In the living space over here, behind this huge big window, we have a couch. Now, where the couch is on the wheel well. Now, we get a lot of questions about how do you do a couch on the wheel well? Well, what we've done in this house was found a couch that had legs. We removed the legs, and then we did a built-in bench for it to sit on. So the couch sits on this platform, has tons of storage underneath, and then that's above the wheel well. So our couch is up against the exterior wall and doesn't take up a lot of the floor space in here. We did an upgraded big 6-foot by 6-foot window. The standard Avalon has a 6-foot by 4-foot window. So either way, tons of natural light coming into the living space from that wall. Opposite of the couch, we've done a media center. So we have a built-in media center down here that we put in this one, a place that you can put your consoles and things like that. And then we've gone ahead and hung a TV on the wall. This TV also does pivot, so if you were in the kitchen and wanted to watch TV while you're cooking, you can do that easily as well. And then the final addition in this space was the bar top. So we're doing a lot of bar tops right now. Really popular to have a place to sit and eat, work. If you have kids, this is where they can do homework while you're cooking dinner. Just a great spot out of the way that you can sit down and do some work, eat at. Perfect place if you work from home or something like that. Okay, so going back over here towards the back side of the house, we have the queen size loft up above. So easy access via the ladder. Now the ladder's tucked away over here, but can come and hook onto here. You can still open the door, but you have a queen size bed up in the loft. So that's your second place of sleeping. And then down below here, of course, what makes the Avalon is the first floor bedroom. So as we come in the bedroom here, what we've done is sized it for a full-size bed. Now you could put a queen-size bed in, it comes out just a little bit more, but with the full-size bed, you're able to put this cabinetry in here, so you have a full wardrobe to store all of your clothes in the bedroom here. And of course, needing more storage, what we've done is found a bed frame. This is an easy one that you can get on Amazon that actually has storage underneath. So if I reach down here, pull it up, you can see tons of storage underneath the bed, which is perfect, easy access to get to. You can put all your winter clothes down there with your summer clothes in here, and vice versa during the season change. And just closes up out of the way. We've also mounted a TV on this wall. We'll insert some clips of that here so you can watch TV while you're in bed. Great space in the Avalon. So all of these updates, again, are stuff that we have done with feedback from all of our customers. The Avalon is a really popular model of ours. The Avalon and the Vista, true tiny homes, 8.5 feet wide, 24 feet long. And then this one with technically 3 sleeping spaces plus a couch and a living room, you have tons of space to live in this house. So great option that we're starting to build. The version 2, of course, this is the first one. The next ones are rolling off the assembly line here shortly. If you have any questions about this house or any of our other homes, reach out to us, give us a call. Our number's 470-748-9854. You can check us out on our website, dragontinyhomes.com. And of course, watch some of our other videos here on YouTube to see all the other models that we're building. Look forward to talking to you guys soon. Thanks.